Video for class 12, and the series which is going on is numerical practice of alternating current chapter, and the topic which we have chosen today is electrical resonance. And the first of all we will deal what are the formulas which we will gonna deal in this video. So first of all, we all know that when the resonance will be happen in the RLC circuit, whenever the capacitive reactance is also always equals to inductive reactance, means XL should be equal to XC. So in that case, we will get a reactance. Means if I will talk about what should be the omega, so omega will be equals to omega will go in this side, L and C will come down, and if I will do square root, so omega will become 1 upon under root LC. So this is the we can say the angular frequency at which our circuit will get a resonance. So resonating frequency, yes, if I will talk about resonating frequency, so omega we all know that is equals to 2 pi nu, and if I want to find out the nu, then we have to do omega upon 2 pi. So means ultimately what is the formula, full-fledged formula I am getting for the resonating frequency, that is equals to nu is equals to 1 upon 2 pi under root of LC. Next formula which will come in our consideration is at series. If suppose the circuits is in series circuit, so resonating frequency can be find out when the whole impedance of the circuit is equals to the R. If the IV and the current which will flow, or the IRMS current value, in that case we can find out with the formula of EV upon R, that is the EMF RMS upon resistance. That in that case our current flow will be maximum. Suppose the circuit is in the parallel, so the resonating frequency we will not be getting. So the IV, the RMS current which will flow in this circuit will be equals to 0. How to find out the Q factor? Since in this session the Q factor has been removed from your syllabus, but still it will be helpful in the competitive exam point of view. So the Q factor of the resonance can be called as Q is equals to 1 upon R and under root of L upon C. And this is the units which we will gonna use. The rest of the units I have not written because all these will remain same. And L if specifically will be in Henry, capacitance will be specifically in Farad, omega will be radian per second, and frequency will be per second, and Q factor has no unit. So now let us see some of the numericals which we can solve based on these formulas. Now this is the question which we will gonna solve with respect to the formulas which we have just now studied. Suppose a series circuit, LCR circuit, with inductance given as 4 Henry and capacitance is given as 100 microfarad, and resistance is connected as of 6 ohm, and the EV, that is the RMS which is flowing in the circuit, is 240 volt. We have to calculate the three things in this. One is omega, that is the angular frequency of the source which drives the circuit at resonance. Okay. The second is the current at resonating frequency. We have to find out the current. Okay, after the reaching at a resonating frequency. And third is the RMS potential drop across the inductor at resonance. These all this thing this question is based on the resonating concept. Okay, so solution, if suppose everything is given, so I'm not writing what are the given parts since it is written very clearly. So let us start with the first part, that is the omega, and we all know that omega is equals to 1 upon under root LC. Means this is the angular frequency of the source which drives the circuit in resonance. If we are talking about the resonance, that is why specifically I have used this formula. So what I have to do now, I just have to put the value of L and C in that. So our L is 4 and our C is 100 microfarad, so it can be written as 10 to the power minus 4. So ultimately if I will solve this thing, so 4 will come outside and 10 to the power minus 4 will remain under root, so it will become 50 radian per second. You can solve and you can take time for the solution, and you can just check whether the answer we are getting is correct or not. And second thing, at the resonance, means we have to find out the current at resonating frequency. Means at resonance our Z will be equals to R, since the impedance, when the impedance becomes equals to R, at that time the circuit attains the resonating stage. So if Z is equals to R, means I can write down, if I want to find out the IRMS value or the current at the resonating stage, so IRMS will be equals to ERMS upon the R, or we can say the impedance. So it can also be written as EV upon Z, because Z and R will be same at that condition. So we can find out, since EV we all know what is flowing in the circuit, that is 240, and Z is equals to R, it will be uh, so 6 4s are 24, so we will be getting 4 ampere. So this is the current at the resonating frequency. Okay, and the third question which we need to find out is RMS potential drop across the inductor. How much potential is dropped across the inductor, okay, at resonance. So if I will talk about the resonance, so first of all, what is the potential formula if we focus on the Ohm's law, that is V is equals to IR. But since this time we are not talking about the inductor, we are talking about the we are talking about the inductor when the resonance has been achieved. So in that case, the VL across the can be written as, in place of I have to use the IRMS value, and in place of R I have to use the this inductive reactant, that is the XL. So in that case, IRMS will be equals to 4, we just have find out, and XL, that is the omega L. XL can also be written as omega L. So omega we just now find out in the first part, that is equals to 50 radian per second. So here I am writing 4 into 50 into what is the value of the inductor which is given in the circuit, that is equals to 4 Henry, and that I am writing here. So ultimately after solving all these things, so I am getting 800 voltage, means the potential difference across the inductor at the time of resonance, it is equals to 800 volt. So you can solve these questions based on LCR circuit or resonance circuit. Okay, when we are talking about the combined LCR and resonance, so you can solve the questions like this. We will keep on studying, and we will keep on practicing the numericals which are based on topic wise in the next very series.